Hello there, and welcome from Shenzhen in China.
SB Weekly. Let's go.
Sooner or later, that camera, well, not the camera, it's actually my iPhone, is gonna fall over. I just propped it up there on my backpack to create a little video. As you can tell, it's really warm, it's shorts time, t-shirt time. It's beautiful this time of the year. It's quite warm, 31, 32 degrees Celsius, but I like the heat. First impressions from Shenzhen. Well, there's two different impressions. Number one, I'm here for business. And the business opportunities in this place, and most likely all over China, but especially in Shenzhen, are endless. If you have an idea, you'll find a way to make it happen in this place. Super high tech, of course, and doesn't matter what you're looking for, you probably find it. If you want to develop the best ever hair dryer, not something I would know too much about it, you will most likely find a factory and find a way to develop your concept and produce it. Of course, then it's the other side of a lot of copies, etc., but let's not go there. Other than that, at the end of the day, people, no matter of skin color, no matter of features, they all stink on the toilet. And it's exactly the same here in Shenzhen. I don't speak their language. I cannot communicate except for maybe holding my phone in my hand, Google Translate a little bit. But I can smile. And the first two words I always learn in every language is hello and thank you. And if someone is coming towards you and tries to sell you something, obviously I stand out a little bit. Well, just hands, smile and say thank you. And you just keep walking and it's all good. The same if you walk into the hotel, you don't understand them, but they help you. Again, thanks to translation apps, etc. Say thank you. Smiles do so much. And especially Shenzhen, I can't speak of all of China, of course, but Shenzhen is quite an amazing mix between super modern and traditional. So you can go into the city, into the heart, where you have all those tech buildings and level after level after level. You find all the electronic gizmos that you could ever think of. The lower levels are, of course, the brands from DJI to Whatnot. Whatnot, by the way, is the upcoming brand, in case you wondered. And the higher up you go and the further out you go from the main escalators into all those little arms, the more you find copies, you find weird things, you find chips and fans and hard drives and arrays and all the cables you can think of at really low prices. And of course, the idea is that you're not going in there just to buy one cable, but maybe you're a company that wants to sell them overseas and then you make their deals. And that's quite amazing. So deal making in this city is absolutely amazing. There's some projects that I'm working on, and that's one of the reasons why I am here. And on the other side, as I said in my previous video, I'm here to help an English school, native English school here in China, to reach more students or offer additional packages through online apps and bringing native English to those Chinese children and families who want to learn, which is a beautiful thing. And of course, there's cameras involved and lights and microphones and all that stuff that I actually have a clue about because, you know, I'm not going through as an English teacher anytime soon.
And to quickly interrupt, I cannot forget to say thank you to everybody who is watching this. I truly appreciate it. In return, if you wouldn't mind, maybe just give it a like, just quickly. Doesn't cost you a cent, but it helps. And every YouTube channel will say the same thing, and I will say the same thing again. A little comment, a like, a subscribe truly helps, and it doesn't cost you a thing. All right, let's go back.
Anyway, so that's me here in Shenzhen. So I've been to the city, I've been to Coco Park to see, you know, gorgeous, beautiful, big shopping center. Many of the areas here are super well designed. It's very modern, of course. I'm pretty sure you go other places in China will look very different, but super clean, super modern city as such. And then yes, of course, if you go into the parks along the shoreline at night, you see all the modern high-rises all light up with lights, and it's very pretty. But then you go a few streets further in, few streets off the main track, and you have the little mom and pop shops, and you have the guy that is servicing one of those gazillion e-scooters right there on the street. And yes, when it comes to e-scooters, again, this city is just way up there. There's billions of them, and they're dead quiet, quite dangerous, to be honest, if you're on foot. I'm one of those guys who likes to walk a lot through the cities, and they come up behind you dead silent. Of course, great, no emissions, but at the same time, just a little scary if you don't hear them coming. So you have to be quite ready to go left or right, and hopefully you pick the right side so there's no collision. So yeah, you have to be a little bit mindful of that, but it looks like a lot of fun. I might actually rent one, maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow if I have time, and scoot around myself a little bit. Other than that, people are super friendly and it's super safe. I know there's a lot of discussion about surveillance state and government and police and all of this sort of stuff. This may be an issue for some people. Obviously for me as a tourist or as a business maker, this is actually a really good thing because it's so safe here. Nobody will touch your bag, nobody will grab your phone, because there's so many cameras. They will find that person really quickly. So people here are feeling super safe, and the same for me. It's in many regards a really good place to go. And as I said, the weather is amazing. Wearing my shorts, wearing my t-shirt, having a jolly good time. Well, I'll leave it at that. I hope this video worked out. I hope it looks half decent, propped up on my backpack and just using the microphone that is built in. You'll probably hear a good amount of traffic noise behind, but as long as you understand halfway what I was saying and enjoyed those pictures that I shown. See? English school. No, not for me. Setting up cameras and microphones? Yeah, that's me. All right, see you later. And in the meantime, go out and create something awesome.
Film, music, good ideas. Let your wildest heart now speak. When art meets inspiration, every single week, we're all in this together. One huge creative heart. So let's get to it. You and I, let's create some art. SB Weekly.